In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Pipedrive to Mailchimp or ActiveCampaign in an easy and straightforward manner. Whether you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts or simply want to make sure your contacts are properly managed across platforms, this tutorial will guide you through each step in less than 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to Zapier. Zapier is a fantastic tool that helps you connect different apps and services to automate repetitive tasks. Once you're on their website, you'll see the main dashboard where you can create a new Zap, which is essentially an automated workflow connecting 2 or more apps. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, the first thing you should do is click on the trigger section. This part of the process is crucial because the trigger is what starts the entire automation process. In this case, you're going to choose Pipedrive as your trigger. Pipedrive is your CRM system, and by selecting it, you're telling Zapier to initiate an action whenever a specific event happens in Pipedrive. Next, it's time to choose what event in Pipedrive will trigger the automation. This could be anything from adding a new contact to updating an existing lead. For example, you might want the automation to start every time a new contact is added. Make sure you select the event that aligns best with your workflow needs. After you've picked your trigger event, move on to the Actions section of the Zap. This is where the second part of your automation comes into play. Here you'll need to select Mailchimp. Mailchimp will be receiving the information from Pipedrive, so this is a vital step. Essentially, you're setting up your Zap to send Pipedrive's data into Mailchimp, allowing for seamless integration and data sharing between the two. Just as you did with the trigger, you'll need to decide on an action event in Mailchimp. This could be something like adding a subscriber to a specific email list or updating an existing subscriber's information. Choose the action that best suits your marketing objectives and that will benefit your email campaigns the most. Once everything looks good and you've set up both the trigger and action events, you're almost ready to go. Make sure to test your Zap to ensure everything is working smoothly. A test run will confirm that your integration is set up correctly and that the data is flowing as expected. And that's it! You've successfully synced Pipedrive to Mailchimp or ActiveCampaign. You've created a powerful automation that saves you time and ensures no data is lost in manual transfers. This process should not only streamline your workflow, but also enhance your productivity significantly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.